Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you guys are good and safe. Guys, today's video I'm gonna show you guys a vlog kind of thing. So I'm gonna have my lunch, breakfast and dinner from McDonald's. So that's the vlog today. So let's get started. And guys, if you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe and also don't forget to click the bell icon nearby so that you guys will be instantly notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And guys, we do have an Instagram account in the same name, okay, Jinx Stuff. So do follow me there as well. These days I'm trying to take stairs more when compared to lift, because it's a kind of like good exercise first of all, and it's good for weight loss. And secondly, I'm really scared of lift breakdown. So that haven't happened to me before, but then I'm really like, I imagine a lot. So if like I'm alone and I'm inside the lift, I always am scared of lift breakdown. So most of the times I don't go in lift. And anyways, we are in 4th floor, so I just prefer taking stairs most of the times. And if I have some heavy thing to carry, then I prefer taking lift. So here I'm just walking towards McDonald's, and here I am, and I'm having my breakfast. So I just ordered some burger and iced Milo. So iced Milo is one of my favorite drink. And after having my breakfast, I just bought some rice for my friend and some bread for me. And also I went to a nursery to buy a plant. It's marigold, and I really love this plant. I always go to the nursery in search of these kind of plants, flowering plants, but most of the times I don't get it. And I remember seeing this nursery person to keep me some marigold or rose kind of plants, because I really love them. I love flowers, so I don't know why, but yeah, flowers make me happy and I just love them so much. So here is the plant. Finally I got it, and it has a lot of flowers in it and buds in it. I was really happy looking on it, and I just instantly bought this. And I also bought a hanger for it. So I'm just gonna hang this on the garden, because my balcony is very small and there is no space for it. So I'm just gonna hang in some small corners, okay? And I'll show you guys my full garden update in some other video. And this is the nursery from where I bought the plant. So that's called Ban Chen Nursery. So they have all kind of plants there, and they have seeds, they have pots and everything there, okay? So if you want, you can just buy from them. And especially the plants, whatever I have at my home, most of them I bought from this nursery. I really love it. And then after keeping the plant at home and taking some time for rest, I again started to walk for my lunch. So I'm gonna go to an McDonald's again. So this is not the previous one. So the previous one is in Chongpang Market, and this is some other place. So it's the backside of Yishun. So yeah, I'm gonna go here to a mall, and there I'll have my lunch. So yeah guys, let's see. So here I am with my lunch. So I have ordered some burger, french fries and chicken nuggets, and also I have a drink. So this drink, I think it's Pepsi. So I was really tired after having a long walk, so I thought of like drinking something really cool, and we ordered Pepsi for lunch. And this is my lunch today. Anyways, for the whole day I'm just gonna have only burger today, but I think of having only burger today, but in case I feel hungry, I may have something else in between as well. So, and I'm a die-hard fan of McDonald's. So yeah guys, I'm having it and you guys enjoy it. after the lunch I did take some rest and then I slept for a while, and here I am now. It's like 7:30 p.m. and I took a bus and we are going to the nearest stop. I mean the next stop of my home. This is again called as Chongpang, which is same as the morning one. So this time we took bus because we were like really tired. So okay, and yeah guys, if you can see in this bus, I'll show you one thing. Okay, so if you can see here, it's like yellow color thing is there, right? So this yellow color, okay, in between red color is there and above it stop is written. So which means in Singapore, if you are like taking a bus, okay, bus will not stop automatically on every stop. Okay, if we want to get down, then we have to press this red color button so that a signal will be given to the driver and then he will stop the bus at the next stop. Otherwise, if you miss, pressing this button, bus will go and you will just sit there without knowing that is your stop. So this has happened to me many a times when I was like new to Singapore, when I was like going for some interviews or like job even. Most of the times I just forget pressing the button and I just miss my stop, and then I will just get down at the other stop and again I take the bus and return back. So that has happened to me many a times. So here two things are really important. The first one is that you need to stop, you need to press the button to stop the bus first of all. So everything is manual here, so there is no place for any automatic things. Okay, and secondly, you need to keep your Google and internet on every time. Only then you will know which stop is next to which one, since like if we are like new to Singapore, only internet helps us. Okay, so here for the dinner we have ordered some nasi lemak and mee goreng and some iced Milo. So these nasi lemak and mee goreng both are very famous Malaysian dish. So just to have some rice or some different recipes, we ordered this and it's very tasty. I have tried in numerous times. I'm a die-hard fan of nasi lemak. So we have ordered, and coming back to the bus concept, guys, I tell you, if you're not like pressing the button, then you will just sit on the bus and bus will go on. And this has happened to me many a times. That's why I'm just stressing the point again and again. So again, as I said before, you need to keep your Google and internet on. Only then you can search the whichever bus you take, you can search the bus number and then you can see the stops ahead, so that it will be useful to you. So whenever the bus stops at any particular stop, you can note the bus stop and then you can like Google search and again you can see which stop is coming next and you can get down there. So this has happened to me many a times when I was like new to Singapore. I used to skip most of my stop when I just go for the job or interviews or somewhere some shopping places and somewhere. I always skip the places. So what I do is I just go and get down somewhere and then I ask the people, whoever whoever is there, I just ask them like which stop is this and I have to go here, so please guide me how I have to go, and they help me. So that's basically the thing which happens with me. So my suggestion is that you guys carry your internet connection on with you guys every time, so it will be useful to you. Otherwise you can go and ask to the driver directly, like I have to get down here, so please help me, I'm new, so that they will help you as well. Now back to the part 2 of our dinner today. So we have ordered some burgers and French fries and an iced coffee. So this is again a set of my favorites. And meanwhile it started to rain. This is an amazing climate. I really love it, because I just sat on a position where I was like straight to the road and I was just enjoying the rain and the burger one side, and this was like amazing. So it was really heavy rain, so we were just sitting there and looking onto the rain and we were just enjoying that night. And so the straight one which you see is the train again, so it was straight to the railway station as well. I hope you guys liked this video. If you really did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.